that rat has pursued the lion.
You don't suspect
I thought I said, this man has entered. That boy is in Aso Rock.
No, see, Annie, as you are, in how many years that you have been, rat first you enter government, Aso Rock.
No. It's not that. Do you know whether the rat is my committee?
Is your committee how? No.
Yes.
No.
Do you know that in that association?
No, people they write rat. This is rat first some of na enter Buhari office. Some of us don't go fit enter there lie till we die. But rats don't enter. Yet we can't jealous them. When they put this, when they put that. Are you a rat? Yes, I am a rat by. I'm a rat by
position.
By confession.
By position. By position. You
So
have
from
positioned
now
yourself
on,
in that
please, people should add to my name Kunle Ri Rat Tatafo, please.
And as that he does, actually, this head can wear you wear just like those rat ears. As you just be like, does they look you small by small? I'm seeing the resemblance of you and rat.
The only thing I don't know is there any poem for rat?
You have tail too.
Yes, every human being have tail, even you.
No, you have rat tail.
That day I think I saw your tail. What are you trying? I saw your tail. Please.
That's me.
This is the time for you to just declare your identity. Can you imagine? I was asking one in Boomer recently, Michelle. I said, why is it that your English is confusing? He said, what do you mean? I said, when you see a man, you will say he is a man, isn't he? He said, yes, he is. I said, okay. You see a woman, you say she is a woman, isn't she?
Yeah,
you say, yes, she is. You see this kind of microphone now, you say, it is a microphone, isn't it? He said, sure, yes, it is. I said, why? He said, when you reach my home, it is spoiled. He looked at me and said, what do you mean? I said, okay, I am a man. Haven't I? He said, okay, yeah, you haven't. You haven't, guy, you haven't.
Yeah, the woman. They need to tie both of you. That woman, when you see for shelf, we tell you that you are an ammo.
Yes, we are both Amos.
Don't they need to tie both as beats, no.
We are both Amos. We are association of Amoses.
Amont die. See your mouth like Amont die.
Is it not okay? You, why is it okay? If every other person follow like that, why Amont I go? Why my own go spoil? If he is a man, isn't he? What is I am a man? I say English is feminine. Una they spoil everything. That is why if give her book is correct, why can't give him book be correct too? You people have spoiled everything. The law of corresponding pronoun should make everybody to carry the one that fits directly. Yes.
Law of corresponding pronoun.
There's corresponding pronoun. Corresponding pronoun is you carry the one that fit you directly. So that you have give her book, you have give him book, give me book, give you book, give us book, give them book, give honor book, and give those people book. It's my
you want to be a rat so you can be Aso Rock.
Yes. But wait, I have to first be sure what they want to do to the rat.
If you enter Benue State, well,
I have to be sure what they want to do to the rat, because if they will compensate the rat and negotiate with them, that please, can you people please leave the office of the president?
Something when they don't bring external fumigators to come and smoke out rats.
I think see the why they suspect since. Why they go bring a terror to me? Nobody this guy go finish like they go come tell us say they use 10 million naira or so to pursue rat for president's office. So.
Yes.
How much did they sell rat bomb for water lines?
That rat bomb, which
it's
kind, what kind of rat does that rat take out?
It's take the normal rat, not my kind of rat.
If the rat in your backyard, the rat in your kitchen, that kind of rat. This is Aso Rock rat.
Okay, we use rat bomb. There's rat bomb, there's otapia, there's rat killer, there's gum, there's rat gum.
Rat trap, rat killer, rats, whatever that you know that they say 100 naira, 200 naira. Is for what kind of rats get category for you?
Hey! You are cooking that in our business, so. And so you know us, you know our family members.
I don't know who you will be.
You know the kind of
you
rat.
Cannot use 100 naira rat bomb that you pursue here inside this in Diob area. You still carry it and go to Aso Rock and say it's that same rat that you want to pursue. That rat will just laugh at you. That kind of rat eats cheese.
Hey, honey, look, the Aso Rock rat no get liver. They not. What it? You don't understand. Aso Rock rat na rat where they are there for enjoyment. Yeah, like Wednesday, say president come back on Friday or Saturday.
How you take care? Who tell you? Who announced that? One know now. How do you know?
I know because I am well connected to the government house as the head of rats.
And as you are connected,
you sniff around for information as a journalist. You sniff around.
I don't know the kind of rats they are talking about.
Now you know.
It's not the conventional rat though.
Because the rats in the government house are the rats.
It's those
journalists.
Rats.
They are the journalists around who sniff for nose. I said sniff their nose for information to carry, know what to carry. You understand? Now, the president must have informed his aides, like the ones where they work here, say, okay, I will be returning to the office. Now, you don't do anything, and I no carry thing to say, okay, our president is coming, let's put things in order. Even if now husband will travel. Anytime you tell your wife, say you dey come back, the woman they run up and down to make the house fine, to cook the best soup, to make sure say you come back to a nice thing. Talk less of a whole president.
Excuse me.
Where they come.
He did not tell you whether they did not cook soup for him. He did not tell you whether they did not make nice things for him. All they have said is that there will be certain renovations that will be going on.
That is what we are saying.
I know when the renovation starts. That is my problem.
My problem.
I know whether that renovation starts a week ago before you arrive.
So wait, so now why they not announce a rat day there since making never?
Why they go announce? It concern you.
If I don't come, now.
It don't concern you that time now.
This is a strategy for the president to still remain in the house. Because let me tell you.
On you that want to know everything. I am not a not a proper.
Wait, let me ask you. Where did president stay to give his broadcast on Monday? Which office did he stay?
He doesn't do broadcast from his office.
So where? So
he doesn't do broadcast from his office. You know they see the background of that place. Like office, but that don't be your office.
What if he did there? What if he that place? Why rat no did that side? Why if you say that only in office rat go there? Let me tell you. They should not carry us to play in this country at all. Look, les gens perdent avec les carrés. Sont pas sans tout avec Jean quoi la kwekwe. They should not carry us to play in this country.
They should
not carry us to play. That la kwekwe means we are angry.
Yeah, no, we are angry. La kwekwe means when I don't get killed.
No, you don't even understand French. See, simple and common French can never speak. Simple and corrected French can never speak.
Anyways, my problem is not even that there's a rat. It is
my problem.
It is the deadline of when that rat won't come out.
Now, okay, now.
There's rat. Where would that rat go?
What if the rat?
So we can move into.
Because now, see.
If rats ain't no, they go.
See, no. We need to sack all the aides of the president. Because they know that the president is just recovering and just coming back from a medical trip. Now they are exposing him to Lassa fever.
Yes, he can't go there now.
That is what we are saying. So why will they wait till he comes before they will fumigate? So the 104 days is not enough to check and fumigate that champape tout tape le rati. Now, the rats inside the president's office were mobilized. They were sent. Yes. Say, look, this man.
Get association, if I remember, mobilization.
Yes, Mobilize, National Association of Mobilize. They have said, look, there is a certificate that our president is holding, and that certificate is the only thing that we can say, okay, next year or in 2019, no go vote again. We will say, where that certificate where you hold. So rats be in action. So the rats have been there trying to look for the certificate, but they didn't know that our president is wise. Hey, Papa Buhari, say Buhari is very wise. The certificates were in the other room.
It's a hazard room.
A hazard room. He did not keep them inside the office. So if you don't know how to send rat to the other room, the hazard room, sorry. There's difference between other and hazard. Inside the hazard room, if you don't know how to send rats there, you cannot do anything. That man is very wise. In fact, apart from keeping it there, he has also sent his wife there to Mangad. Aisha Buhari is in the hazard room.
Make we talk the other thing. We hold our attention. That's ritual killer. We come off for policeman.
Oh, wait. Let us first start from the emotional angle. The death of the girl. 8-year-old.
I mean.
8-year-old girl.
No.
I just imagine.
Shut up. And the other time, I know they call my name from that door. Like, now you give me that name.
It is not. It is very. It is very touchy.
I know they put anything. Just sit down.
An 8-year-old girl will be murdered. I even hear say first rape her.
He rape her first.
Can you imagine?
He rape her first.
He first do that thing.
The guy confessed. No, shut up.
And he come still kill him. He no come just kill him. Come still remove the right vital organ. And sorry, which part of the body are vital organs? Or which one and which one follow for vital organs?
in case of somebody like you, it'll be your glasses where you wear.
Because you know why they ask? Because the girl na still small girl, and at that age,
vital organs, her heart no dey, her lungs no dey, her kidney no dey. All those things are not vital.
I think say na only Bobby be the vital organ where women dey.
That's why I say na your glasses na be your own vital organ.
Alright, so
if you come up, there's nothing vital about it.
Okay, so even if they say that na vital organ, and they remove am, he never really still do the man. He won't come dispose the girl. People are wicked. People are wicked.
Dispose the body now. You know
we need to first of all say our condolence to the family of the girl.
And I guess the papa to train the man when do this.
Now so I hear saying na family related member. We say very sorry to the family for the loss of that girl. May her gentle soul, because her soul is still very gentle, her gentle soul rest in paradise, and also God
it's a nasty experience.
Now to come to
why is it that they smile like something?
Now to come to the echo. Come. Which kind name be John Bosco?
Why? Let's know the name John Bosco.
I need to know which kind name. John Bosco.
Listen, I never hear a rich man, responsible human being with a John Bosco.
John Bosco name now.
Yeah, I never hear them.
How are you in Port Harcourt? That's a sergeant you are talking about.
Is that what?
Are you in Port Harcourt? Where answer the name?
John Bosco.
Yes, sergeant.
It's a sergeant.
To be a sergeant in Nigerian police, you think
it's not easy for you to be
excuse me. Just a sergeant. How? What does it take to be a sergeant?
What does it take? 20-something years.
It takes a lot. Not just the age. Wait, excuse me. He's a police officer. He's not a Mopolo.
20-something years.
Now Mopolo will go Guazo Hill, go somersault. He no follow go Guazo Hill.
Who told you that?
Kule, my uncle was a policeman.
How many years did he become sergeant?
He became sergeant from when I did still married to university.
He used to be sergeant.
Now after they promote her to sergeant.
They promoted to sergeant. So
it's not easy.
I'm talking from experience.
If they find sergeant, not be all this. Check that the sergeant na how many V?
Na 3 V.
Very good.
See.
Now go to police station.
Now only 2 and
look for when you see those old 3 V. The V is different from those normal young boys who just come take 3 V.
The V no they go straight. It is
they go straight, but the color is very red.
The color is
they didn't see that color again. Then those days for police training school, wasa.
Goza.
No, Goza na for Mopol. Police training school.
No one
na Keja.
No one. There's one in no one.
No one get one. That one for recruit. To join police now, no one.
But wait.
Then wait. Officers get for Enugu. To be. That is from sergeant to inspector. One confirmed inspector.
Get one police school where they
Enugu.
See, if they go Calabar.
If
they go Calabar. That's how we go take turn. They go Calabar. Get one where they face you. That Calabar road. See the road now. You don't from Akwa Ibom. All the China. It turn like this. It was ending of it too. You see one
police district.
Now police college or police
college. They get now wood gun. They take the practice.
Now
they cover like Nollywood gun.
Goes on Mopol then not before.
Which one they go Lagos? The real police college.
No, see, different areas get different colleges for different reasons. For instance, detectives they Enugu.
Okay.
Then Jos get their own too.
Okay.
Then Unowa get.
No.
Then Lagos get. There are different schools they go.
Different.
So let's get the sergeant's guy.
Now this sergeant guy is of the Criminal Investigation Department, CID.
That's where
and those people are in a town.
Former
UPTH,
former SIB.
No, SIB is still there now.
No, it's not there.
They're not coming from
there. Be that place where John Bosco there now.
Oh, okay. Where you been there one time?
Yes. It's now
was a head.
CIB.
Yeah. Now that guy.
What's the CIB? Center for
Criminal Investigation Department.
Which one was CID before?
Criminal Investigation Department.
You are not frequent in police station. I make you know.
Not the frequent police station. But don't
you should be bailing people.
If you want to catch fun,
go police station.
You want to enjoy
it's catch fun.
Yes. Catch fun. once in a while, just to enter police station. No talk to anybody.
Just go to
the problem. Then they keep chair and give for counter.
Because anywhere you stand now,
anywhere you stand,
you commit offense.
Oh yeah, obstructing
somebody. They fit change to another set. Come, yes.
Why are you doing there?
Oh, these are the armed robbers.
No, they will say you are a spy.
I'm a journalist. Journalist. Sorry. Why? Then why are you standing here?
Why are you standing here? Is here your radio station?
They will say you are a spy.
So Annie, if you go to police station,
you enjoy yourself.
Enjoy yourself because you will hear of reports. You will hear of complaints. You will hear of unnecessary criminal.
You don't hear complaints.
You will hear of.
I better not visit. Thank you.
No, come on.
I got to
what kind of journalists are you? Inside this thing.
Yes, I did. Yes.
Wait now.
They go home, they are fine.
I go to Mokoro sometime early this year to go bail 2 boys who are sent to go buy bamboo. Then they go to buy bamboo. As they load the bamboo, one man come back motor. They go begin abuse the man. They don't say the man a policeman. The man now can't even show them ID card. Say you are abusing the police officer. They say na ID card na fake. People are saying bamboo. Instead they go just quietly carry that bamboo. Come back. They begin to abuse the policeman. Then the man first arrest them. And when the man handcuff them, they handcuff him. See, that's the kind of this. Instead of to handcuff my left to right. Right.
So look at that run now.
Oh boy, that's a wicked handcuffing.
So when I reach there, I come go the IPO, come they try to explain and I say sorry sir. They say the boss and say they are Oga Michael Ogolo they come. Thank you, Oga Richia.
They get uncle. The way they follow you, come. I need the Michael Ogolo. Go behind the counter.
Which counter? Come on straight to sell.
If they argue with them, say what's that? I said go behind the counter.
I said
now you they send boys to go abuse police.
I said excuse me. Who said